Welcome to the Grade 2 Math Challenge. Ready to test your addition skills. What is 3 plus 5? The answer is 8. What is 2 plus 6? The answer is 8. What is 4 plus 7? The answer is 11. What is 6 plus 9? The answer is 15. What is 5 plus 10? The answer is 15. What is 12 plus 9? The answer is 21. What is 25 plus 17? The answer is 42. What is 34 plus 26? The answer is 60. What is 18 plus 27? The answer is 45. What is 40 plus 35? The answer is 75. What is 22 plus 19? The answer is 41. What is 31 plus 16? The answer is 47. What is 45 plus 28? The answer is 73. What is 33 plus 21? The answer is 54. What is 15 plus 13? The answer is 28. What is 29 plus 18? The answer is 47. What is 36 plus 42? The answer is 78. What is 27 plus 36? The answer is 63. What is 20 plus 35? The answer is 55. What is 44 plus 31? The answer is 75. What is 32 plus 23? The answer is 55. What is 14 plus 29? The answer is 43. What is 39 plus 41? The answer is 80. What is 26 plus 34? The answer is 60. What is 19 plus 47? The answer is 66. What is 38 plus 37? The answer is 75. What is 16 plus 24? The answer is 40. What is 23 plus 44? The answer is 67. What is 35 plus 40? The answer is 75. What is 28 plus 36? The answer is 64. What is 30 plus 33? The answer is 63. What is 22 plus 51? The answer is 73. What is 49 plus 30? The answer is 79. What is 18 plus 29? The answer is 47. What is 45 plus 20? The answer is 65. What is 36 plus 28? The answer is 64. What is 31 plus 39? The answer is 70. What is 25 plus 56? The answer is 81. What is 42 plus 21? The answer is 63. What is 33 plus 38? The answer is 71. What is 27 plus 48? The answer is 75. What is 19 plus 61? The answer is 80. What is 15 plus 52? The answer is 67. What is 34 plus 16? The answer is 50. What is 44 plus 17? The answer is 61. What is 29 plus 32? The answer is 61. What is 38 plus 29? The answer is 67. What is 23 plus 42? The answer is 65. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss any video.